All the kittens have their eyes open and they're crawling around. Where are you going, little guy? Hey, little sisters. Did you finally open your eyes? Mr. Socks, where are you going? Where are you going, Mr. Socks? Where are you going? Bun is still at it. Bun, leave Thumper alone. Oh boy. Hello, bunnies. Come here, Bun. Ring around the rosy. Hi. Hello. Hello, bunny. You can't come out. Look what I got today. My husband went down out in the middle of nowhere, down some gravel roads, and there was like a big patch of irises. So he dug them up for me. I'm so excited. I was asking for irises last week and I got a pack of 2 from Walmart. They're blue, but it was just the bulb, so I won't see those until next year at least. But he got all these really pretty white ones. I put 3 bundles of them back here around my crepe myrtles, and then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up in the front flower bed. Okay, look, I don't know if there's different kinds of crepe myrtles, but these are putting off new shoots from the bottom, but the actual crepe myrtles are not doing anything yet. And I've seen several in our area doing that. Like they're not even putting on leaves yet, while other ones are. And so I'm wondering, I gotta look it up and see if there's like 2 different kinds of crepe myrtle in this area. Because last year, my neighbor's crepe myrtle came up put on leaves a couple weeks before mine. So I'm not concerned yet, especially since they're putting off new growth at the bottom. But what I'm gonna do is pull these out. You can pull these out and plant them in a pot of soil. And I don't have the art of it down yet, but I just pull them right out and try to get as much of the bottom as you can. Put them in a pot of soil and they will survive. I've got some from last year. They were in my schoolroom. I kind of forgot about them the last month or so, and they almost died, but I think I'm bringing them back. But I'm just adding a few more to that pot to see if I can get some more going. I need to get a couple more pots actually so I can grow them separately. But yeah, you can do that if you want to get more crepe myrtles on your property. I can't wait till these are all blooming. I've got orange daylilies right there. So the daffodils are done, then the daylilies are gonna come up. So I've got irises. So next year it'll be daylilies, then the irises, then the daylilies and the lilies. I can't remember which one comes up first, but I got a lily in here. And I think I have 2 bulbs in this one. My cats are still, y'all, I put lavender in here. I just planted lemon balm. And on the other side of this one, I've got peppermint. And I got all these little sticks in here, and the cats are still digging in it. Lemon balm and peppermint are supposed to keep them out, but it's not working. So I'm going to try orange peels and cinnamon next and see if I can keep them out of my beds, because they are killing. Like, look, I only have one hosta now, because the one that was right there, it kept putting on tiny little leaves, and then the cats would go dig it up. And then the one over here, supposed to be right there, didn't come up at all because the cats kept digging right there. And I planted a lily right there in all the beds. So yeah, we're gonna try cinnamon next, but it's about to rain, so I may wait a couple days and do it. Anyways, everything is starting to grow and turn green. Let's check on my... Ooh, wow. Okay, look, this is my fire bush, I think. What is it called? Dwarf burning bush. This thing turns like solid red and is so cool. That's grown a lot. Stupid bloodhound. Okay, this is my snowball bush, and I thought it was totally dead, but it's putting off a ton of new growth down here. Looking good. I'll check on the clematis next to my neighbor's trash that is blowing in my yard. Ugh. Got that one growing pretty good. And then this one is like really bushy. And the other one is more viney. Yeah, those are growing good. Honeysuckle. With more trash from my neighbor's yard. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? More trash. This is my grapes. That's growing a lot. Eventually I want to get a privacy fence, and until then I'm just going to be planting like morning glory, grapes, honeysuckle, anything I can get to like grow on the fence to kind of block off the neighbors. This is the door from the closet pantry that I just made. We gotta burn that. Alright, anyways. Oh, one more thing. Let's go look back here. Okay, I got another blueberry bush because my other ones appear to be dead. This one was coming back, but now it looks like it's dying. I have no idea. Those two are looking pretty dead still. But look at these potatoes. This is insane. We just planted these like 2 weeks ago or something, and I've got like radishes and bok choy and green onion, I think, planted. All those little tiny sprouts. That's gonna be a lot of potatoes, I hope. Gotta get up here and mow and clean up. Green beans and peas. Whoops. Peas on that side. Still gotta mow and till that. What is that? Is that a weed? I don't know. I got a couple of green beans coming up where my cats haven't dug them up and killed them. It's getting annoying. On this side, green beans and peas. Oh boy. All right. That's all daylilies. All right, anyways, that's all. I just wanted to do a little update video while I was out here. See you later.